Add a user to your Microsoft 365 subscription. Whenever a new person joins your company, you'll need to add them to your Microsoft 365 subscription as a new user. From the Microsoft 365 Admin Center, select Add a User from the toolbar. Enter their first name and last name. Adjust their display name if needed, and then enter a username, which will be used for their email address. Select the domain you want to use. Choose if you want to have a password created automatically. Then decide if you want to require the user to change the password when they first sign in, and if you want the password emailed to the user. As the admin, your email address is automatically added, but it's a good idea to add the new user's personal email as well, so they receive the account details. Select Next. If you don't have an available license to assign to the user, choose the type of license you want to add to your subscription and select Yes to approve the change to your billing. If you do have an unused license available, choose the license, then select Next. Optionally, adjust the new user's role if they need some level of administrative access and add additional profile information. Select Next. Review the information you entered and select Finish. Adding, the new user has been added to your subscription. Optionally, you can send an additional email to help them get started. Save your settings as a template to help you add additional users in the same way, or add another user. Select Close.